I'll share now the process we went through for designing this curricular resource. So first, we had to establish an appropriate team, and in this case, it consisted of university partners at Shaw University, most notably Dr. Valerie Johnson, who you just saw speak in the first box of this poster. Um, we had to get some input from her as to what she really wanted and what her faculty really wanted. Then we needed the appropriate NASA folks, so folks involved with the Globe Observer Mosquito Habitat Mapper application, who had the kind of scientific background um, with respect to vector-borne illness and climate change and that sort of thing. Education experts, myself, and then of course citizen science experts like Sarah Kern and Mark Kushner. Next, when we had our team, we went to kind of establish the criteria. What did we really want for this project, this curricular resource? Was there a way that we could really make it broad enough and flexible enough for all different disciplines, academic disciplines? How long should it last? Is this for a 15-minute activity or a one class period activity, or is it going to be kind of a month-long thing? And really, that took input from the folks at Shaw University. What did they really want? What's going to be easiest to integrate in their current class? And then, what kind of autonomy did those instructors want? Do they want something that's kind of turnkey, ready to go, or something that they can really put their own spin on? And given that this is during the pandemic, after a year of teaching like this, they were ready for something that's just kind of turnkey, where they didn't require a lot of input from them, although still had plenty of room for their own modification or customization. And then, what was the outcome? Do we expect that advancing science is one, for example, improving scientific literacy and even the students' own scientific identity, regardless of what class they're in. So those are kind of the overall outcomes that we were looking for. Once we had those outcomes or those all the criteria established, we could start building the resource out. And then continually and collaboratively iterating that resource. So um, in this case, we were trying to use some best pedagogical practices to develop these resources, have all the stakeholders, all the people that you see at the bottom of this poster involved every step of the way. We went through constant, changes and, like I said, iteration to really refine it to where we thought it was ready to go. And so from there, it was time, and it currently is time for piloting. So I'm recording this in April of 2021, and as we are here, that they are piloting the resource, and we have 3 professors at Shaw University piloting this resource, 2 of which are biology professors. This is Dr. Pinnix and Dr. Filiano, and then we have 1 English professor. This is Miss Hill, who is implementing it in her rhetoric class, which is really exciting to kind of test out the flexibility of this resource. Can citizen science be used in a non-science class? So we're eager to get the feedback from both the students and the instructors, once they're finished piloting this resource.